Awesome, awesome. Good to have you back. I hope you have found valuable insights from the previous video. And if you're watching this video, I know you want to definitely improve your confidence. So in this video, I'll give you a 30-day blueprint which you can implement day by day so that by the end of this month, you will definitely have a boost in your confidence. You won't be the same person who is watching this video right now. So firstly, we'll talk about the main reasons why speaking confidently feels tough. These reasons are the reasons which I faced, I had, and also the blueprint which I'm going to share with you is the blueprint which I followed and I implemented and I got results. So only what helped and what worked for me, I'm going to share it with you. Let's get started. And one more thing, I'm not going to tell any quick hack that okay, implement this today and you'll get the result by tomorrow. No, nothing's gonna done in one day, right? It will obviously take time. So 1 month is the minimum time so that you will improve your confidence and you'll completely be a different person. Let's get started. So firstly, we'll speak about why speaking confidently feels so tough. And secondly, I'll give you 30-day confidence blueprint. And lastly, we'll talk about power tips. So firstly, we have 3 pointers. Fear of judgment. Whenever you are trying to speak in public or whenever you try to express something, you always have that fear of judgment. You'll always have that what other people may think, what if they criticize me or what if they laugh at my words. That is called fear of judgment. What if they think about me in a different way or in a wrong manner. Secondly, negative self-talk. If you're a person who is always speaking, if you always speak about yourself in a negative way that this isn't my thing, I'm not capable of that, or I can't handle this, or I can't speak confidently, you definitely can't because you are declaring yourself that you are not able to do that. So it definitely happens. Third one, lack of practice. Well, 1 second. Yeah, lack of practice. Third one, lack of practice. So yeah, definitely practice is necessary for any skill. Now, suppose you are playing a sport or you are into some swimming or you are into some workouts, anything. If you don't practice, you'll definitely not have a grip of it. Practice is very essential, no matter what it is. Maybe a skill or a sport or some work or some anything. Practice is important in all aspects. So now you got to know what are the reasons why speaking confidently is tough. Now I'll give you a 30-day confidence blueprint. So let's get started. So one more thing which I'm going to tell you is this 30-day blueprint is magic, man. Is magic. Really trust me because this worked for me. I implemented all these tips one by one and this boosted my confidence and now I'm able to speak confidently in public wherever I go. So don't miss this and watch it till the end so that you will gain all the valuable insights and don't don't wait for any perfect time. Just make the time perfect and start implementing it from today. Whenever if you're watching this video now, take that first hack or take that first tip and start implementing it from today. And by the end of this month, you'll definitely be a different person. So yeah. So in this 30-day blueprint, we will have about 4 pointers like week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So firstly, breaking the fear barrier. Sorry, breaking the fear barrier. So like that, we'll have every week, every pointer so that which will take you from the basics to the next level. Second week, we'll talk about structuring your speaking. Third week, practice real conversations. Fourth week, level up with purposeful speaking. So now let's see what is in the first week. So here we have 2 pointers. So first one is daily 1 to 5 minutes self-talk. So what do I mean by 1 to 5 minutes self-talk? Daily, at least go when you get up in the morning, just go in front of mirror for 1 minute to 5 minutes. Speak something you want to speak. It can be in English or something, or you can affirm your words. Something. Look at yourself in the mirror and just speak. I'm confident. I'm good enough. I'm being a better person daily. Just like that. But minimum it must be 1 minute, and it can last up to 5 minutes. That's the thing. So secondly, record one video a day. So what do I mean by recording one video a day? Take your mobile. It can be morning, evening, or night. No matter what is the time. Just take your mobile, turn on the camera, and record 1 minute video. It can be of anything, whatever gets into your mind, speak. If you want to boost, or if you want to make your English skills, or if you want to make yourself fluent in English, speak in English. Okay, in the first video, it may not be that good. Now, even in this video, you can see I'm not that good at English. Just I want to deliver you the content and serve you. That's the reason I'm recording. No matter I mumble or fumble. Similarly, just record it. Or if you want to speak in your own language and develop your communication skills in that aspect, just speak. No matter what you speak, just speak of what you did yesterday or what you want to do today. What are your goals? It can be anything. Just record 1 minute video. So these two, do it for 1 week continuously daily for 1 week. Means the first 7 days you have to complete these two tasks daily. So now let's go to the second one. So second week, structure your speaking. In this, firstly, we'll talk about learn simple frameworks. So what do I mean by learning simple frameworks in communication or confidence building? How can I make a framework? Whenever you're whenever you want to speak with someone, or whenever you're going to public, or whenever in your college or anywhere you're going to give a presentation or anything, structure your framework. Have a framework. Like if you want to express about some problems and solutions, firstly tell about the problem, secondly about the solution. Or suppose you want to share your journey to someone, firstly tell about the past, how you were, and present, how you are, and future, how you want to be. So if you have a structured framework, you can speak confidently, and you will have a clarity on what to speak, and you won't have that fear. So second one, speak to small group. Speaking to small group means it can be your friend circle, relatives, family, or anyone. Start small. It's not necessary that you, on the first day itself, you go to a big crowd and speak. Just start small. It can be as small as 2 to 3 members. Just share your thoughts or opinions or whatever you want to speak. Because that small conversations will give you confidence, and it will help you to speak in large groups. So these are the second week tasks. Means from the day 8 to day 14. These two tasks, do every day definitely, no matter what. Just do it. Just implement them. Don't find any reasons. Just implement it. Because if you want to change, you must definitely take the action. If you won't take the action, there is no point of learning all this, right? If you don't implement what you know, there is no point of knowing that. So just implement all this. So in the third week, we'll have practice real conversations. So what do I mean by this? First one, start casual conversations. What do I mean by that? So whenever you go to a family party or you meet new people, just start speaking something casual. Or whenever you go outside, you meet new people, just start speaking something casual, which is relevant to that, which is relevant in that time and in that area. Just speak something, no matter how small, or it can be anything. Just start speaking. Secondly, daily topic challenge. So what do I mean by daily topic challenge? It is very similar, it is very similar to the one which we spoke before. Pick one topic a day and speak about the topic with your friends or family or your siblings or anyone. You can speak about 1 minute to 5 minutes, or no matter what the time is. If your friends feel it is okay and you have that time to speak, just speak on topic. It can be as simple as, okay, suppose IPL is going on now. You can take a topic about, okay, how was yesterday's match, or how will today's match be, or how tomorrow's match will be. Just like that. Pick any one topic and just speak about it, so that you'll gain that confidence in speech. Because when you practice, why I'm insisting this many times to speak is because when you start articulating your words and when you start speaking, you will get that confidence and you will get that grip on how to speak, and you will have that confidence whenever you go, wherever you go. You will definitely have that confidence. You'll carry it with you. So yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so these are the things which we must do on day 2. Sorry, week 3. I was thinking something else. Yeah. So now the last 4 days. The third week means this is from 15th day to 21st day. Yes, 15th day to 21st day is the third week challenge. Definitely do those two tasks no matter what. So in this fourth one, level up with purposeful speaking. Week 4. First one, prepare a 2 to 3 minute speech. Yes. So what does that mean? Now you have implemented these all 3 weeks and you have completed all those tasks, you will definitely have a spike of confidence in you. So prepare a 2 to 3 minute speech. If you are a college going student, start speaking in groups of 5 to 10 people. No matter what, if you want to just give some knowledge, share some knowledge with your friends, or you want to present something in your college, some presentation or something like that, just prepare a 2 to 3 minute speech and just go ahead. Don't look back, just do it. It can be very small. If you're an office going person, in some meetings or something will be going on with your colleagues and your HR's boss, right? So start speaking there, no matter what. Just start speaking. Prepare a speech and start speaking. So now, second one is deliver it. Obviously, after you speak, you must definitely deliver it right. So when you start, first prepare a 2 to 3 minute speech. I said all that in a single point, but firstly prepare a speech. Secondly, deliver it. Prepare a structured framework. If you are giving a presentation, first talk about what is the problem or what is the hook you are trying to explain, and secondly, talk about the solution. So like that, structure a framework and deliver it with confidence. Third one, watch. How are the people connecting with it? How are the people understanding? What are their insights? And reflect on yourself. Okay, this time I did okay. This is the version 1. I did nice. Next time I'll definitely improve my skills, improve my abilities so that I can speak confidently. I can level up. I can speak more. I can go to the next step like that. Just watch and reflect, because when you reflect on yourself, you'll definitely get the insights where you must improve. Take feedback from the audience. Okay, how was my presentation? How was my speaking skill? Take the audience insight, take the feedback so that you can improve yourself. No one is perfect. Everyone keeps on evolving, right? So just be open to feedback. So yeah, 1 second. It is, yeah. So this thing must be done from the day, it's the last fourth week of the month. It can be like 22nd day to 30th day. Yes. But so once I'll show all of this so that you can take a screenshot or something. So these tasks, no matter what, just implement them, because I implemented these and this really boosted my confidence. So you can take a screenshot. So no matter what, week 1, for the first 7 days, do those tasks. And in the week 2, for all that 7 days, do those 2 tasks. For the week 3, all that 7 days, do those 2 tasks. And the week 4, definitely follow this. Definitely start giving speeches in public or with your friends, anywhere, no matter what. Start doing that. So now we have covered all this. So let's, okay. So now I have given you the blueprint. I hope you got a clarity on how I have given a very step by step process. It is very simple from the day 1 to day 30. I have given a simple process, so definitely implement it. Don't think about anything else. Trust me, trust the process, trust the system, and just go ahead. So now let's see what are the bonus tips. So power tips for fast growth. So these tips are like a bonus tips. If you are watching the video right now, have the bonuses too. First one, visualization. So what do I mean by visualization? Whenever you are thinking or whenever you are about to give a speech, firstly visualize that in your mind you are already giving a speech. The audience are cheering you. The audience are clapping for your speech. If you visualize yourself in that way, your mind is rewired for it. Your mind is rewired in a good way that you can definitely do it. Or suppose you want to achieve something, you want to achieve a milestone in your career or college or somewhere. Visualize yourself, you have already achieved it. You are already standing there. Because when you visualize yourself in such a way, your mind will have that confidence that yes, I have already done it and I can do it no matter what. So definitely you will be able to do it. So second one, let's see what the second one is. Just give me a second. Yeah, second one, positive affirmations. Start affirming your worth in a positive manner. I am good enough. I am achieving what I am aiming for. I am being fit day by day. I am good in my fitness, or I am good at my work. I am having good communication skills. I'm good at communicating with new people. Like that. Anything positive about yourself. Just affirm your worth, because that affirmations will rewire your mind. Because okay, one thing I want to clear, these many times I'm talking about rewiring. You guys may think, what does it mean to rewire? It is the power of your subconscious mind that we can talk in another video. I'll explain about it very clearly. Whenever you, whatever you do, your mind is like an, what you call, it's like a ground, you think. It's like a soil. Whatever you plant in it, it grows. If you plant good seeds or good fruit plants, it will grow. If you plant cactus, it will grow. So be mindful on what you're planting in your mind. That's what I wanted to say. That so whatever you do, whatever input is going into your mind is absorbing and it is analyzing and it is making you to do the things according to that patterns. So that's why rewiring your mind is very important in a good way. So now let's see. Second one, positive affirmations. Thirdly, focus on connection, not perfection. Yes. So what do I mean by this? So okay, one second. I think the slide didn't come. Yeah. Third one is focus on connection, not perfection. So what do I mean by this? Whenever you're giving a speech or presentation, don't aim for perfection. That okay, I delivered it with a good English or good French, or I delivered it with the huge words with which the audience even I delivered it with the words which audience can't understand. Don't be in that way. Focus on connection. Your audience must relate with you. What you are speaking must connect with them. That's when the real communication happens. If you are just being vague, or if you are just being generalized, if your audience don't feel that connection, they won't last. They won't feel interested to listen to you, and you can sense that in your audience. So just focus on connection, not perfection. So the fourth one, celebrate small wins. So what do I mean by celebrating small wins? Now today, suppose you aim to walk for 10 kilometers, or suppose 5 kilometers. You made the task in the morning and you achieved it in the evening. So celebrate that by eating a small chocolate or having a milkshake, something like that. Suppose you wanted to complete a project in your college. You completed it. Celebrate it, because whenever you celebrate the things which for which you completed, you will get a sort of happiness and confidence that yes, I'm going in a good direction. I'm going in a success route. So celebrating small wins is very important. I follow that, and I insist you to definitely follow on that. So start celebrating small wins, no matter how small. Just celebrate it in a way which you can feel happy about completing that task. So yeah, these are the four power tips for faster growth, means the bonuses. So yeah, now I hope you got a clear clarity of the and a 30-day blueprint on how you can boost your confidence by applying all these things in your life. So these things worked for me like magic. And definitely tell you, if you work on this and if you definitely follow all these hacks, it will definitely shift your confidence and it will boost your confidence in a way you can't even imagine. If you are a person who is hesitating to speak now, if you definitely follow this game plan, after 1 month, you can see a spike in your confidence. You'll definitely go to new people and you start speaking. That's the reality of this game plan. So start implementing it. Type in the comment box, what are your insights on this game plan? What is your thought on this video? Type in the comment box. Until then, keep rocking, keep smiling. Catch you in the next one.